It's here! It's here! It's here! It's here! Yay!
Ain't nobody got time for this!
The special delivery I've been waiting for. Alright, welcome back to Woods Creek Workshop. My name is Yucho. Today is a special day because I got a special delivery in the mail. What could it be? Every year, Stans and Koski with Barzy Industrial host Summer Bash. And this year, one of the sponsors was Black Book, Engineers Black Book. And they provide 250 copies. And if you purchased a copy, you got to choose which of your favorite YouTuber gets to autograph
Say what?
your copy. And the Black Book is actually a special edition, Summer Bash edition as well. And I was fortunate enough to be able to purchase a copy. I was kind of nervous since it's a limited run. So that's what's in the mail today. So let's take a look. Ooh, look at this. This is a larger copy, larger print than the normal one you get. My eyes aren't what they used to be, so I struggle quite a bit with the machinist handbook, this small prints. This will be really handy. But you're probably wondering who got to sign this. But before I tell you who, they also give you tabs. That's really cool. Take a look at that baby. Special edition. Oh, look at that. Randy Richard in the shop. Thank you, Yuchol. That's a real nice, nice note from Randy. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. He has a really nice channel that I subscribe to. Ooh, according to the sticker here, it's number 66 of 250. Look at that little embossed print. But there you go. Nice. So I really want to thank Randy Richard for signing my book and Stan for hosting it and arranging and doing all the work with the sponsorships, and also thank Engineers Black Book for putting out this special edition so somebody like me can actually read it without glasses. Thank you, Randy. I really appreciate it. I'm excited. Oh, there's a special note from Randy. Right there. It says, "Dear Yuchol, of all the subscribers I have, you're my favorite. With love, Randy."